Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. How are you today? I hope you're all always good and happy. Yeah, we are from Group 2 with me, Indah, Faula, and my friends Husna Hanifah. In this occasion, we will presentation the material about discourse analysis. For the first material, we will explain by me. For the first slide, what is discourse analysis? Discourse analysis is an approach or research method used to understand, analyze, and interpret written or spoken text in their social, culture, and historical context. The main goal of discourse analysis is to reveal how language is used to shape meaning, influence social interaction, and reflect power structures in society. For the next slide, there is discourse. Discourse itself refers to the use of language in particular social contexts, including how words, sentence, and text are used to convey meaning, construct identity, and influence the thinking or action of others. Discourse analysis involves examining text structures, speech patterns, social context, and communicative purpose to understand how language is used in a various communicative situation. For the next slide, there is discourse and performance. Performance in this context refers to the way in which language is performed or demonstrated. It includes aspects such as intonation, facial expression, body movements, and speaking styles. Language performance can bring an extra dimension in conveying a message and influencing listeners' opinions and emotion. In some contexts, language performance can be the key to understanding or interpreting the meaning contained in a text. For the next slide, there is relationship between discourse and performance. The relationship between discourse and performance highlights the importance of considering not only what is said in a text, but also how it is said, what influence each other, the way language is performed can affect the way messages are conveyed and received, while the particular context of communication can affect how language is performed. Discourse and performance analysis help us understand how language and action interact with each other in the process of human communication. For the next slide, we will explain by Husna Hanifah.
Okay, thank you, Indah. For the next slide is discourse and intertextuality. Discourse and intertextuality are two important concepts in language and text analysis. Intertextuality refers to the relationship between a text and other texts in a culture or literature. It highlights how a text does not stand alone, but is connected to other texts through influence, reference, or the use of similar motifs and themes. Intertextuality can be direct or indirect reference and can shape the way we understand or interpret text. Next slide is relationship between discourse and intertextuality. Relationship between discourse and intertextuality show that a language is never used in isolation, but always relate to a wider cultural, social, and historical context. In discourse analysis, we can see how a text is related to other texts in the wider culture or literature. and how this relationship affect the meaning and interpretation of the text. Conversely, an understanding of intertextuality can help us understand how language is used in particular contexts and how particular texts influence meaning making in human communication.
Okay, guys, that's enough presentation from our group. Thanks for listening and attention. We hope the explanation can be understood. If you guys have any question, you can read in the comment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.